morning, students. Our today's topic is nickel cadmium storage cell. Students, it is rechargeable cell, means it is secondary cell which can be recharged again and again. And students, it has longer life as compared to the lead storage cell. It is smaller and lighter and compact as well, beta. So it means it has advantage over the lead storage cell. And students, this storage cell is used in the portable devices, and in this cell, anode is cadmium and cathode is the metal grid containing nickel dioxide and electrolyte is KOH. Now reaction at anode. स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं एनोड पे आपकी ऑक्सीडेशन होती है और एनोड जो है दैट इज कैडमियम एंड दैट इज गिविंग यू कैडमियम ऑक्साइड. सो ये स्टेप आपने याद रखना है बेटा. आफ्टर दैट यू कैन राइट दिस रिएक्शन योरसेल्फ बेटा. नाउ इट्स ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट इज 0 here because it is in elemental state, and here its oxidation state is positive 2. Is that clear? Because oxygen की जो रहती है बेटा that is negative 2, so that's why cadmium is having your positive 2 oxidation state. So means cadmium is going from 0 oxidation state to positive oxidation state. So it means it is going to lose the 2 electrons. So I have written in the second step cadmium is giving you cadmium oxide plus 2 electrons. In the third step we have to balance the charge. On the productant side here we have 2 negative charge. So this we have to balance by OH negative ions. So I have to write the 2 OH negative ion on the reactant side. Now charge is balanced. Why I have balanced this charge by your OH negative ions beta here? Because electrolyte here is KOH, and this KOH will give us K positive ions and your OH negative ions. So this charge we have to balance by OH negative ions here. So in the next step we have to balance the hydrogen and oxygen by the water molecules beta. So we have to write on the productant side water molecules. Clear? यहाँ आपका इस स्टेप में देखें आप कोई भी आपका हाइड्रोजन नहीं है बेटा. So hydrogen we have to balance by adding the water on this side. So here water molecule I have written over here. So 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. So now this is a balanced reaction. So बेटा इस केस में reaction at anode when you have to write in your exam you have to write this step only. और ये बाकी 3 स्टेप जो हमने किए बेटा that is just for understanding. Now reaction at cathode. Cathode में जैसे कि आप जानते हैं आपकी reduction रहती है बेटा. Your reduction takes place at your cathode. So here just see cathode is your metal containing metal dioxide, that is here nickel hydroxide, that is giving you nickel hydroxide. Here nickel की oxidation state जो है that is +2 here, and here nickel की जो oxidation state है बेटा that is +3. So +3 से ये +2 पे जा रहा है means it is going to gain 1 electron. Is that clear? So I have written in the second step 1 electron on the reactant side. Now we have to balance the charge. On the reactant side we have 1 negative charge. So I have to balance this charge by your OH negative ions beta. So on the productant side I have written 1 hydroxyl ion. So now charge is balanced. Now here beta, if you see here nickel trihydroxide plus 1 electron, nickel dihydroxide plus 1 hydroxyl ion over here multiplied by 2, and this is multiplied by 2 here just to balance these electrons beta, because at the anode 2 electrons are lost. Clear? So we have to multiply this whole reaction by 2 beta and we'll get this one. So 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. Then now I have written again this reaction at anode over here. So reaction at anode again I have written over here cadmium plus 2 hydroxyl ions, that is giving you cadmium hydroxide, sorry, that is giving you cadmium oxide plus 2 electrons and water molecules. Let's say this is a first reaction beta, reaction at cathode, that is this one that is written over here. Let's say this was second. Now we have to add these two beta. Now adding 1 and 2, we will get cadmium. Then this 2 NiOH thrice beta. Then this 2 electron got cancelled, 2 electron got cancelled here. OH negative ions here got cancelled from reactant side and productant side beta. Then we are left with on the productant side, we are left with the cadmium oxide plus 2 NiOH whole twice plus water molecules beta. And this cell will produce the potential of your 1.4 volt. With this, thank you. Hope this is clear.